Like this. Look, that one. Let's go that way.
I know, it's still there.
All right, who's gonna ring the doorbell?
Me. No.
Go ahead. Go say trick or treat.
You guys gotta take turns with the doorbell, right, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was letting them both ring it.
Oh.
My turn.
I know. I'm like,
Not me.
Come on, bud.
make sure you say trick or treat and thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, choose one.
Can you make it up?
What do you like? This?
Hercules, can you say thank you?
Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome.
Okay, this guy's on the way back.
Herky, say
House.
What?
more houses.
Oh, okay. You got one for him?
He's occupied.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
My